Hi friends, we loved your response on one of our signature dishes that was stuffed zucchini. So today we are going to make zucchini bowl pasta. So let's start making it. Ingredients required to make white sauce are milk, cream, pepper, butter, maida. First, add 1 tablespoon butter. Once it's melted, add 1 tablespoon maida and just mix it. Now add half cup milk and half cup cream. Our white sauce is ready. Now we will move on to the next step. Step 2. Ingredients required to make red sauce are tomato ketchup, basil leaves, tomato puree, pepper, chili flakes, red chili sauce, sugar, oregano. First, take tomato puree made out of 1 tomato, 1 tablespoon tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon red chili sauce, 1 teaspoon oregano, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, 1 teaspoon pepper, 1 teaspoon sugar, 3 to 4 basil leaves. Just blend this together. Now, in this only we are going to add the white sauce. This is ready. Now we will move on to the next step. Now we are going to make the pasta. We will take 2 tablespoon oil, red and green bell pepper around 1.5 tablespoon each, 2 tablespoon boiled sweet corn, 1 cup boiled macaroni, and the pink sauce which we just made, salt to taste. So we are going to cook till the gravy thickens up. Our pink sauce pasta is ready. Now we will move on to the next step. Take a grilling pan. On that, just grease it with little oil. Put the zucchini strips on it. And we are just going to grill this for around 2 to 3 minutes. If you all don't have this pan, you all can avoid this step completely. The final step. For that, you require a bowl which is oven proof. Just grease it with oil. You all can use the ceramic bowls also. Now, start taking the grilled zucchini. The darker side will come on the outside. Now, we will put the pastas which we just made. Top it up with cheese. And now we will start packing it. Now this goes in the oven on 160 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes. Our zucchini bowl pasta is ready. I hope you all enjoyed watching this fun dish. Do subscribe to Simply Jain for such new recipes.